Identify which electrode is more easily reduced using standard reduction potentials. Zinc and silver half reactions are given. The more positive E degree is reduced at the cathode, so Ag plus / Ag is the cathode, while Zn / Zn superscript 2 plus is the anode. Next, we write the half reactions in the spontaneous direction. For the anode, zinc is oxidized, and for the cathode, silver ions are reduced, ensuring we balance the electrons. Now, we calculate the cell potential using the formula E degree cell equals E degree cathode minus E degree anode. This gives us a positive value of plus 1.56 volts, indicating a strongly spontaneous cell. The next step is to determine the flow of electrons. They are produced at the zinc anode and flow through the external circuit to the silver cathode. Finally, we compare each option with our conclusions. The only correct option states that zinc is oxidized at the anode, silver ions are reduced at the cathode, and the cell potential is plus 1.56 volts, with electrons flowing from zinc to silver.